Ahi ahi Marie Tai Tamariki, and welcome to this lesson on External Achievement Standard 2.12, Probability Methods. In this lesson, we're going to talk about finding probabilities using a two-way table, but in this case, we're going to have a reduced sample space. So rather than being told a randomly selected student or item, there's going to be a little bit of a reduction in that. So let's have a look at this example here. The results below are a survey of people who were asked to choose their preferred holiday destination of Milford Sound or Lake Rotorua. The results in the table, we do have our totals, and one thing we mentioned is if the totals are not in, you need to put those totals in. So the results in the table tell us overall sample size is 200. But if we want to find the probability that a randomly selected person prefers Lake Rotorua, given that they are male, then the sample space gets restricted. So once again, the wording of the question is going to lead us in the right direction. So in this case, sample space is given that they are male. So that means the denominator of the fraction is going to be 85 rather than the 200. So find the probability that they prefer Rotorua, given that they are male, means we're only looking at that column. So 65 over 85 is going to be the probability there. And one more. If a randomly selected person preferred Milford Sound and wanted to find the probability that they were female, that is going to be a restricted sample space. So probability of female if Milford Sound was going to be the 60 over 80. Okay, so the wording of the question is going to lead you in the right direction. Let's have a look at this one. Now notice the totals are not put in. You've got the year 9s and the year 10s, but you are going to need to add in those totals. So if the totals are not listed, you'll want to add those in. First question, find the probability of choosing a student at random who studies dance. Well, a student at random who chooses dance, student at random means out of everybody. So a student at random who chooses dance, 120 out of 200. But keep an eye out for the reduced sample space, which we're going to see here. Find the probability of a student being a year 9 if they are studying drama. So saying being a year 9, we're now restricting the sample space. So being a year 9, if they study dance, so there's only 105 year 9s, and of them studying dance, there are 60 studying dance out of the 120 total studying dance. So these are going to get a little easier the more of these we do. And again, this is a reduced sample space question. If is the big clue here. With drama as the reduced sample space, therefore, the probability of being in year 9 given they are studying drama. That was question 2. The probability of a student being a year 9 if they are studying drama. So we're restricting to the year 9 dramas, and that would be the 45 for the year 9s if they are studying drama out of the 80. And part 3, 20 were elected at random. What's the expected number? So what we've said about expected number is the probability of that event times the number of trials. So likely to be in year 10 and studying dance. So the year 10s that are studying dance, that's going to be 60 over the 200. Okay, year 10 and studying dance. And we'll keep in mind there, this third question says 20 students selected at random. Whenever you see selected at random, that means we're going to be looking at the total in the entire sample, or 200. So what we will do, we will take the probability 60 over 200 times the number of trials, and that would be 6. Okay, so there's a little introduction to probability with reduced sample space. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.